Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is a bit of a special one, this one. It's the 20th anniversary Sprinter van, 2016. Special edition. Medium wheelbase, high roof. One lease owner from new. Medium wheelbase, high roof. 313 CDI. It's a 3.5 tonner. It's the 20th anniversary Sprinter. It has the chrome grille, the side logos, wheel covers, air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth. It's also got full screen navigation system. It's just had recent new tyres all fitted, matching tyres fitted all round, radial tyres just fitted. Nice van, one owner van. It's come direct lease from Mercedes-Benz. And it is the 20th anniversary model. So they're a nice spec on these models. All the cloth seats, Bluetooth, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, air conditioning. Got the navigation system there also. Overmats fitted. Got all the booklets for the vehicle. The manuals there. Rear ply line with the bulkhead. Nice clean panels on the van as well. Rear load step. All nice and clean in the back there. High level brake light. All matching tyres all round. $27,600 miles before it requires a service. It's indicating on the dashboard. They have a tinted window as well on the front screen. Chrome on the grille there, as you can see. Nice model vans. Not many of these on market at the moment. Medium wheelbase, high top, air conditioning, cruise control, navigation, premium edition, anniversary model. In stock, ready to go, parts exchange welcome, same day finance deals can be done. We're a family run business, been in the trade over 30 years, over 100 more vehicles on the forecourt. Anything else, drop us a email or give us a call, we're here 7 days. Thanks for watching the video.